Okay, so in this video, I'll show you guys how to obtain business credit loans. These are some of the sites that offer business loans. Now, when it comes to business loans, they are very strict. If you guys just started a new business thinking you will get approved for a startup loan, you're wrong. You would need at least a year into the business and you would need some revenue, okay? Even if you have a good credit score, you would need to make at least, $10,000 a month. You would need also a good credit score under your personal side. Your personal side determines whether or not you're going to get approved for the loan. So, good credit, revenue. If you guys have good revenue, then the credit don't really matter as long as you have like a minimum 600 credit score. Most of these are just 580, but to counter the bad credit score, you need at least a year into the business. Monthly revenue has to be over 10,000. If you make 10,000, the highest loan you can probably get will be around $50,000 to $100,000. If you guys need $1 million, for example, you're gonna have to make way over $100,000, 50 to $100,000 every single month. So whatever you make in a year, that's how much they're gonna basically give you. Okay. Biz2 credit, they're a little more strict. So you would need to make a lot of money. Okay. If you guys want a $50,000 loan, you're gonna have to make at least $20,000 to $30,000 every single month to pay the loan. And most of these businesses, you're gonna have to add some history. But the good news is, if you guys add a business trade line, the revenue will be less. So that means you can make 10,000, right? So the longer the business, the lower the revenue, which means they can give you a higher amount. So I recommend you add some business trade lines off of Tradelines. So this one will give you a $500,000 credit line. Reports in 7 days. So this is a 7-year trade line. So this will definitely add 7 years to your business credit. So 7 years is crazy, right? So which means you guys can make $10,000 a month and get approved for at least $100,000 to $500,000 through any of these lenders. And most importantly, you will need a bank account under your name. Okay, don't use a random bank name. Don't use your friends, your cousins. Use your own bank account that's under your name. So applying is not hard. You can literally just call them and apply over the phone. But they're gonna send you a credit application. If you guys need help filling out the application, you guys can literally just tell them to help you out or contact Tradelines. Tradelines will do it for free. And if you guys have really bad credit, you could actually purchase a business CPN, which I'm trying to look for right now. They have a lot of services right here. Business CPN. Yes. So $3 million funding, $5,000 for this business CPN. Oops. Yeah, business CPN comes with all of these. You guys can just visit the site and read tax returns, everything. Also, yeah, you would need tax returns for these as well. At least a year's worth of tax returns. But you could always edit your own tax returns, honestly. But these trade lines right here, the CPNs will come with the tax returns. So if you guys want a cheap business CPN, $100,000 in funding, high pay score, $4,000, this will come with tax returns. And you guys can also apply for business credit cards, such as the Chase Inc. credit card. Please feel free to visit Tradelines.com. They also have an affiliate program. So if you guys are trying to make money as a broker, promoting it to your clients or your social media, then you can make 35% commission. So if you guys manage to sell a $5,000 business CPN, you're gonna make some good money. Okay, and they do offer loan funded CPNs where they apply for you. So if you guys manage to sell this to a client, you're gonna make, I believe, about $500 to $700 for each one of these you sell. And this one, you get access to the bank account as well. So if you guys are trying to get business loans, definitely add a business trade line or purchase a business CPN. And the company can apply for the loan for you. Just ask. The company information is on the site. The email's right here. Are they doing sales? You're gonna have to add the service to the cart by now. So let's say you want this CPN. Yes, I do.